Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, it's summer grocery shops. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I have 4 children, 2 girls, Shamika and Alana, 2 boys, Trandon and Jackson. We have a fur dog, her name is Gracie, and I have a fur grand dog, his name is Acro. We're living our very best life over here. Most of you know I'm an educator, so my work year goes from August until May. Well, like the first week of June. So August, the last week, well, teachers go back 2 weeks early. So the 1st of August till the first week of June. And then we're out for the summer. I don't have income during the summer that the county pays me. I pay myself all year long, and then I have money to live on the summer months. With that being said, I don't normally have enough to include groceries because I am trying to just maintain the regular bills. So what I do each month of the 10 months that I work is I pull out $50 every month to give me $500 of grocery money. So $250 each month. And I shop weekly, so I do it by the $50. It's easier for me. So this month, I had a grocery gift card sent to me for Aldi. And then I also pulled out grocery money from my envelope for summer. So I had $100 to shop with, and I'm going to share with you what I was able to pick up. You guys, groceries are just expensive, and we didn't buy any meat. So I still have meat in my freezer, praise God for that. I'm thinking I can get through about another month or 2, maybe another month, 6 weeks maybe, with the meat that I currently have in my freezer. If we stretch it, we could probably go a little bit longer. So I'm probably going to have to do a meat stock up haul around August. August would definitely be about the time that I'm going to stock up on meat. September, if I'm, depending on what money looks like. But, you know, we can do meatless meals. We're perfectly fine with that. Anywho. Turn my camera around, show you what I got. Alrighty, you guys, so here's what I got at Walmart. Shopping Aldi this week, but I needed to pick up a few things at Walmart that Aldi does not have what I particularly prefer. So I got 5 pounds of yellow potatoes. We like the yellow ones best. They were $4.24. Juice, we picked up the no sugar added, 2 of those apple juices for $1.54. Cherries were $2.99 a pound. They were $5.99 at Food Line, so I could not. And then this red seeded watermelon. See, that rang up really wrong because it's seeded. It was in a box for $3.28 and it rang up $6.28. And I had been waiting so long in line for the girl to come over and check me out. I mean, for her to remove an item. I got 1 Honeycrisp apple. It cost me $2.27. I said, no, ma'am, that 1 Honeycrisp. And it was not even a big one. It was a tiny one. Put it right back. But I didn't want to argue over this, and I didn't want to stand there and wait for 15 more minutes for her to come back to take this one off and put another one on. So I paid $3 more than I should have for this watermelon because this has seeds. So anyway, it was in a box for $3.28 with a whole bunch of other ones, but it rang up $6.48. So there it is. I spent at Walmart $22.46. Okay, you guys, so here's what I bought. I actually took the knife block set back and exchanged it out for the black base. So that was just an even exchange. Then I picked up, Jackson asked for these sparkling waters. Of course, I'm not drinking these with the Whole30, but Jack asked for them. They were 57 cents each. The pineapples were $1 each, so I bought 2. And then the cherries, I'm still thinking they're $2.99. I didn't see a price. There was a lot going on in that area. So I picked up those. I know I paid just under $7 for that. In addition to that, that wasn't grocery money. I picked up some bamboo cooking utensils and then 2 new shower curtains for the bathrooms. So I needed to pick up those couple of items. And I also picked up 3 of the 40 count waters, but you don't see those because they already went to the garage. So 3 packages of the 40 count, so 120 waters. And I spent at Walmart $81. Oh, I got 2 things you don't see are 2 packages of underwear. I picked up a pack for sister that were $9 and a pack for mom that were $9. So everything at Walmart was $81, and that one was I got $32 back. So 81, it's about $49 that I spent outside of this knife block. Went over to Aldi and I had $50 gift card. I spent $48.08. I got paper towels for $1.59. Foil was $2.35. Raisins, I got 2 packs of those for 99 cents. Strawberries were $1.59. The sandwich bags that the kids asked for were $1.89. Almond milk was $1.79. Olive oil was $2.79. Their cherries were $1.59 a pound. So better price at Aldi this week. Not real sure if they'll last as long, but they were a better price. Yellow potatoes, $4.34. Then we picked up some of the Never Any sausage. This is the Whole30 friendly. So I got chicken sausage. This is the tomato basil. We like this one. I got 2 of those because they only had 2. Then I picked up the breakfast sausage. $2.69 each or $2.79, somewhere in that. Jackson likes these little peanut butter crackers. They were 75 cents each. These chips are for cheat day. However, we're doing a church thing for the 4th of July. They were 97 cents each. So I just picked up 2 bags of chips because we got to bring a side and I don't feel like cooking. In addition to this, we're going to pick up about 4 dozen of Krispy Kreme donuts. So that's going to be our contribution to 4th of July. Light the candles, blow up all the fireworks you want, and there it is. I'm not cooking a thing. So 4 dozen of Krispy Kreme donuts. We're going to get 2 glazed and 2 assorted, and then those chips. And we got to bring a drink. So I'll just pick up a drink of some kind. Then the peaches and the mandarin oranges, the kids asked for those, $1.59 each. And then the Never Any no sugar bacon was $5.99. This is expensive. So at Aldi, I spent $48.08. I'm not real sure about meals, but let me think about it. All right, so tonight is Wednesday. Well, you'll see this on Thursday, but for Wednesday night, we have ground beef out. Not real sure. Alana asked for spaghetti squash. They did not have it at Aldi. So not sure what we're going to have for tonight with the ground beef, but we're going to come up with something. I do have Friday night, a friend of mine is coming over for dinner. She's been out of town, and so she's back, and she's like, hey, what day can we get together? So we said Friday. So she's going to come over on Friday. Normally when she comes, she brings 2 Costco chickens. And so we'll have chicken Friday, and probably Saturday we'll have chicken. I'll probably do just regular chicken Friday night, and then I'll do chicken and gravy Saturday, because that'll just help that chicken stretch out a little more. I'll take it off the bone and put it in a nice gravy, and we'll probably do mashed potatoes with that. Tomorrow night is Thursday. We only have Taekwondo. Tonight, we might do the taco meat with the loaded potatoes. So we probably will do taco meat with loaded potatoes. There may be leftovers for lunch. I have a lot of chicken. Lots of chicken. We might do breakfast for dinner since we do have breakfast sausage. We have eggs. We have plenty of eggs. So breakfast for dinner one night. I was going to pick up cabbage, but we have greens. So maybe the night I do chicken and gravy, we'll do greens and mashed potatoes. We do have some sweet potatoes in there, so I'll have to figure something out. Maybe loaded sweet potatoes with broccoli and ghee. Sounds like an idea, Shakema. And then maybe a little bit of coconut cream on top, because coconut cream is sweeter than coconut milk. So maybe we'll do the sweet potatoes with a savory broccoli, nutritional yeast, and then we'll do the coconut cream on top with cinnamon. I think that'll be good for one meal. Sunday, like I said, is 4th of July. We're doing something with the church. So that'll be from 11 to 3. Normally, I don't cook on Sundays because, well, normally I cook Sundays. My lunch is our big meal. So we'll be out at the park. And whatever is left over in the fridge, the kids will do that. And then Monday and Tuesday, I'm not real sure. Don't know. So, anywho, that's a brief meal plan. Not real sure what I'm doing, y'all. I have to write it down. Just don't have time to write it down right now because I've got some other stuff I got to do. I'm doing 75 hard, and I have not done my workouts yet, and it is going to rain. So, and I've got to take Jackson to dance class. So I'm going to try to pop myself out of here right now and go do a 30-minute quick walk because I haven't done it, and I'm not starting over. I'm on this is day 5 for me. I'm not starting over. I should be on day 7, but I had to start over the second day because I was out of town and I didn't get a chance to get all my water in, and I didn't get my second workout in. Now starting over. So Shakema's on her way out. There it is, the grocery haul and all the things, right? We do appreciate you guys stopping by. Let us know what you're having on your meal plan this week. Maybe I'll take some ideas from you. But anywho, gotta run. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you later. Bye now.